Hello, I'm Miss G. Welcome to See You in Class. A word a day. Bespectacled. Bespectacled is an adjective. It's a describing word we use to describe nouns. Someone who is bespectacled is wearing glasses. Let's look at our 3 sentences using the word bespectacled. My brother is bespectacled. The villain was a bespectacled woman named Susie. Unexpectedly, the old bespectacled man disappeared from the room. As part of today's challenge, see if you can name 3 bespectacled people. Leave a comment below using the word bespectacled in a sentence. Describe a character from a story using the word bespectacled. Good luck! See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Bye.